We live in a world where tools and technology is so advanced that we can instantly order anything we want within a tap on our mobile phones. There's no more getting lost thanks to Google Maps. We live in a world with technology that our ancestors a few decades ago hadn't even thought of. Here's the thing, exposing ourselves to temporary discomfort can result in long-term comfort. Seek discomfort. What thoughts come to your mind when you first hear these two words? We're all in a state of confusion, aren't we? To seek discomfort means to say yes. Saying yes to risks, saying yes to opportunities, and saying yes to all the things you would otherwise say no to. We all have had a tough time doing something for the first time, whether it was bungee jumping or going for your first job interview. We all felt something was eating us up from the inside. Before entering the stage, till this very moment, all I felt was anxiety. I couldn't do anything about it, but I told myself my life begins at the end of my comfort zone. According to Conor McGregor, the more you seek the uncomfortable, the more you'll become comfortable. Let's take a trip down memory lane and think about all the times we moved out of our comfort zone and attempted to do things we had never done before. Whether it was exploring a new country, trying out a new cafe, or even taking the first step with your crush. Whatever we did benefited us in one or the other way. Doing things we have never done before gives us immense happiness and accentuates our growth. Personally, I feel this was a great topic for me to talk about because I've experienced this throughout my teenage life, and so has every teenager in the 21st century. Although you might think, what do I have to say on this as a 15-year-old? Yet, I exhort you to believe me. Let me share my experience with you. Being a teen, I was always addicted to social media, which is a phase that every teenager goes through. And yes, it did affect my mental health. During those years, I came across this YouTube channel known as Yes Theory, which was created by three famous creators, Thomas Bragg, Amar Kandil, and Matt Dasher. They have a series of videos in which they would survive on no money in an unknown city. They also traveled to unknown places in search of new ideas and let darts decide their next destination. This channel posted videos which motivated me to take up a challenge of going off social media for 30 days. Initially, I never thought I could do this seemingly impossible challenge, but I believed I could and I did it. Believe me, on the 31st day, I felt like a complete different person. Every opportunity seemed like a new opportunity to me. I saw every opportunity and every problem as an opportunity to become a better me. Thus, I once again urge you to seek discomfort, for it is in the uncomfortable that we discover plenty of opportunities for our growth. Through the means of seeking discomfort, I want this to be a companion, a daily reminder of what matters most in life. Ultimately, I hope this TED Talk of mine can inspire millions of people around the world to be an embodiment of the seek discomfort philosophy. Thank you.